Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the support and resistance levels for today. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is Tuesday, 10th January. At 3:40 p.m. we have high impact news plan for Canadian dollar related currency pairs. At the same time we have medium impact news for Japanese yen. Then at 7:30 p.m. we have high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. So during these news hours we'll have high volatility in currency pairs related to US dollar. So if you are a beginner, I would recommend you to stay away from the market so that you don't take wrong entries during these news hours. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now, and when we look at the current price action in daily time frame after testing the support level of 1617, we have noticed a price action to continuously trend on the bullish trend, and yesterday we have noticed a price action to test this resistance level of 1880 several times, and it has bounced back from this resistance level. So for now this level of 1880 is acting as a very strong resistance level for the current price action. And when we look at today's candle opening, it has opened the same level where it has closed yesterday. Currently it is a red color candle. Wait for the price action to break the previous candle's low, which means this shooting star or the green color candle's low of 1865, based on which we can determine the direction of the price action for today. And when we look at this level 1880 in the past price action, we have noticed the price action to test this level, then to fall on the bearish side retracement, and this level had acted as a very strong resistance in the past also. So we are expecting this level to continue acting as a strong resistance for the present price action also. And when we look at the past price action also, this level of 1802 had acted as a very strong resistance level. We have noticed a consolidation trying to break this level several times, and after breaking this level we have noticed a trend to continue. So currently also we are noticing the price action trying to break this resistance level. So similarly we can expect a consolidation to start over here before it could continue its bullish trend. And when we look at the current trend of the price action based on the past price action, I am drawing a channel pattern connecting the highs from the past and the highs from the present, and we can notice that it is still in a bullish trend, trading within a bullish channel pattern, and it has currently tested this resistance line from the past price action. We can expect a little bit of retracement or a consolidation to start from this level over here. And as long as the price action is trading above this bullish channel pattern support line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in gold in the daily time frame. So the values within this black color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1880 and support level of 1850. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1850, next level of support is going to be around 1830, 1809 and 1802. The level between 1809 to 1802 is a support zone. Only when the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal to start in daily time frame. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1880, next level of resistance is going to be around 1917. So currently the price action has tested the very strong resistance level of 1880. We can expect a little bit of retracement to start because we have noticed a indecision candle to be formed in yesterday's price action. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame. When we look at the price action from the hourly time frame, it has formed a similar to a double bottom pattern, and we have noticed it to bounce back on the retracement. And after finding a resistance at the level of 1880, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. And if the bearish side retracement continues, next level of support is going to be around 1850. And if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1830. And this bearish trend or the retracement on the bearish side is only a retracement. It is not a trend reversal in hourly time frame also. In overall, the current trend of the price action is in a bullish trend, trading within this bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame. In this process, we are noticing the price action to form a double top pattern, tested this resistance level twice, and we are noticing it to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently, the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1872 and support level of 1866. And if the bearish trend continues and it breaks this support level of 1866, next level of support is going to be around 1861, 1857, 1850, 1842 and 1831. And if the price action takes support at the support level of 1866 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1872 and 1881. And currently the price action in hourly time frame is on a bearish side retracement. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame also, after taking support around the support level of 1813, we have noticed a price action to continuously trend on the bullish trend. And after finding resistance at the higher time frame resistance level of 1880, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. And if the bearish trend continues, we can expect it to take support on the previous trend line, support line, and only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect it to continue further on the bearish trend. So we have two levels of support in the 30 minutes time frame. The bullish trend line and the higher time frame support level of 1850, where it has to break in order to continue further on the bearish trend in 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1880 and support level of 1869. Once the price action breaks the support level of 1869, next level of support is going to be around 1862, 1857, 1851, 1850 and 1844. And the current trend of the price action is in a sideways trading within a box pattern. Wait for a directional breakout from this box pattern on the bullish side or on the bearish side to freshly enter into the directional trade. Let us look at the price action in 15 minutes time frame. I'm in 15 minutes time frame, and when we look at the price action in 15 minutes time frame, we can clearly notice that it is under a consolidation within a triangle pattern. Wait for the price action to give a breakout from this consolidation in order to freshly enter into the direction trade in 15 minutes time frame also. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1872 and support level of 1869. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1869, we can expect the bearish side trend to continue. Please refer the 30 minutes time frame support and resistance levels for the bearish side. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1872, next level of resistance is going to be around 1874, 1876, 1877, 1880 and 1883. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.